Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Gemini AI figure 3D model for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the AI figure 3D model looks like. And I'm going to show you how we can create this image. First of all guys, you need to open up your Gemini application, or you can go to the Gemini website. Okay, and then you're going to upload the image that you want to edit, and you can click on this plus icon, select gallery, and choose the image that you want to edit. And for the image, I'm just going to choose for example this one. Okay, you can click on done, and then you're going to add this prompt. For the prompt, I'll put it on the description. Okay, this is the prompt that you need to add, and then make sure that here you choose the Nano Banana feature. Okay, you can activate this Nano Banana by tapping on this banana icon, and then you just need to send this prompt and also the image to the AI, and the AI will generate an image for you. Okay, it's still loading guys. Okay, and the 3D figure has been generated, and you can tap on the image if you want to download. You can click on this download icon. Okay, and then if you want to make it move, or if you want to create a video using this image, you can use Google AI Studio, or you can use VEO on Gemini. But if you haven't subscribed to VEO on Gemini, I recommend you to use Pixverse. It's free guys. You can get free credits for your daily credits. You can go to the Pixverse AI, and then you can sign into this website using your Google account, and you will get 60 credits for free. Okay, wait guys. Alright, and then we can upload the image we have just generated with Nano Banana on Gemini, and then you can add this prompt: human hand picks 3D model. Oops, sorry, human hands pick 3D model, and then you can click on create, and then the video will be generated by AI. Okay, and these are my previous videos, and it's almost done. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon, and the video will be saved to your device. But it's with watermark. If you don't want to add the watermark, you need to subscribe to Pixverse. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!